Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another video, and this one we're gonna go over the live cop for Supreme Week 3, which was the Burberry collaboration. In my opinion, this shit was some straight heat gas, bro. The jacket in the denim color was crazy. Logos, let's not even talk about it. It was a shit show out there. I kid you not, bro. I'm at work stressing, struggling. We about to see what's going on in this bitch in a little bit. If y'all doing up enjoying, leave a like on it. Subscribe to the channel for more streetwear or sneaker content. But this morning, the release was expected. You feel me? It's a box logo release. I already saw some shit coming. It's 11 a.m. or so. I'm at work, sitting in the car, trying to see what's about to go down with this Burberry shit. This is what happened. Boom, it's 11, shit loaded up. Obviously, I did tinker this a little bit. Hey, I'm over here adding this shit. There's this fucking Burberry pattern you gotta put in the box. Shit gotta be exact, bro. Don't play with this shit because it's not about to let you through. And shit is saying sold out. I'm assuming it's not sold out. Like, it's impossible for this shit to be sold out within 2 seconds. So I keep trying. I'm going in and out. At this point, I'm like, fuck it, bro. Let me see if the tee is still there. We about to try the tee because one of these bitches about to work for me. I'm over here trying to put the pattern on the little tan box and shit. Literally, this shit was lasting forever. So I'm like, bro, let me add the glass bottle. I know for sure I want that shit. And I go back to the hoodie. I'm adding this shit in the large and it says sold out still, bro. What? How the f is it still sold out? It's been sold out, loaded since the beginning. Like, it don't make no sense, but I'm trying, bro. I'm definitely trying hella times, literally. Keep saying sold out. Dead ass. They weren't trying to open the floodgates for me, bro. It wasn't in the cards, low key, but we keep trying. I'm trying to add the tea, bro. I'm literally doing this shit for minutes. Like, I cropped this shit down a lot, bro. No bullshit. This shit is on add-in, I promise you, bro, for a minute straight. This shit right here is like a minute worth of footage. I cropped that shit down ×8 speed. That shit is fucking nuts. I did the same shit with the tee. It would just stay on adding for forever, bro. Like, no bullshit. It don't make no sense at all. Let me know if it happened to you. I can't be the only one. Deadass. Shit is tactical, bro. So at this point, I'm like, fuck this shit. Let me grab the glass bottle. I'm trying to make some shit happen and it's just not unfolding for your boy this morning. So I'm like, fuck it, bro. Let me just get the glass bottle. It is what it is. Let me soak in the moment and just cop this glass bottle. And I ended up getting it, obviously, you feel me, ever so smoothly. There's no waiting for a minute for add-in for that shit. There's no sold out for that shit. What the f? Just let me cop. They not letting me through, but it is what it is. At the end of the day, we got the glass bottle. The cut's about to be impeccable ever so slightly. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all a success story, you feel me? There's a box logo that dropped. We all know this. There's W's, there's L's. Some people win, some people lose. At the end of the day, there's a success story to be told, and I'm about to show it right here.
Beast mode. I'm like, any color, any size, I'ma keep trying. Boyfriend in the back, my hype man, like, keep trying. Burberry logo to the square, and now finally it's in my cart, right? We're like, yes! And I'm like, let me take a deep breath. It keeps saying processing, and then all of a sudden, it's like, you can't purchase something you've purchased before. This shit always does this. It's a pending charge. So then 11:24, I get an email, and I'm literally on the floor like, oh my God, God is so good.
Bro, go check out the full video. It's in the description below. My girl ended up cooking up on a pink box logo. Stay tuned because we will show it on the channel. Come on, bro. It only makes sense. Yeah, stay tuned for the review on that. And that was what we had for Supreme Week 3. Low key, yes, it was an L, bro. I admit it. It is what it is, but there's gonna be more drops. We also do have playoff 12s releasing, which I'm actually excited about. 12s is probably one of my favorite Jordans, period, low key. But I was actually excited for these, so I want to see what they look like in person. Stay tuned for that video. But with all that being said, leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel for more streetwear or sneaker content. Playoff 12s about to get touched soon, so stay tuned. And hey, more content always, bro. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and we out, bro. Road to 20K. Come on, we at 19.2. Don't sleep on me. We coming. Just subscribe to the channel. We on road. Come on.